Video 7, System Optimization. After you've chosen a solar buyback plan, you can use the system's apps to configure the settings based on your energy's profile and plan parameters. For example, if you choose to go with the plan that has a time of use rate structure, you can configure it to work automatically along with the plan's schedule. Typically, there will be either a peak period and an off-peak period associated with time of use plans. During peak periods, the cost of electricity from the grid will be higher and the off-peak periods will be lower cost per kilowatt hour. By using the system's apps, you can set a schedule to tell the system when to use more of the battery stored energy versus the grid in order to mitigate electric bill costs. Then, during the off-peak period, the system will use less energy from the battery to power the home. The system software can use information about the solar buyback plan rate in order to provide an optimal use of the solar battery, which ensures full value of using produced solar energy to maximize savings and benefits. Keep in mind, every household is different and your solar design is customized to you. We provide the tools. How you use them is up to you.